It is truly a delight for me to stand before our country's outstanding scientists, researchers, and experts from various fields, especially since it is the first face-to-face meeting that we have had for the last 2.5 years. And I'm glad that I am able to attend at this conference, and that we are starting to feel the diminishment of the problems that we had been feeling during the pandemic. But your invaluable contributions form part of the solid foundations of all that we did for our society. By integrating science and good governance, we can build a future where our children can look back at our generation and say that we did truly change the 21st century, and we did that change for the better. Imagine what we can accomplish together once we light our path with the foundations of science, sustainable agricultural technology that will help our farmers, cities that will run on green energy, safe and affordable medicines for diseases that were once thought incurable, amongst many other successes that we have seen from the scientific field. Seeing you all here assures me that there are experts like you who are ready to move mountains and use science and technology as well as evidence-based solutions that will lead to meaningful action and policies.
Napakahalaga po ng role ng siyensya at teknolohiya, at ang ating pong Pangulo ay #1 supporter upang matulungan ang ating mga kababayan maging economically developed ang ating bansa at mabigyan ng magandang karanasan at buhay ang ating mga kababayan. Kasi naniniwala po siya at kami sa scientific community na through science, technology and innovation, sa siyensya at teknolohiya, buhay ay gaganda. Sa siyensya at teknolohiya, negosyo at kikita. Sa siyensya at teknolohiya, industriya arangkada. Sa siyensya at teknolohiya, kalusugan sisigla. Napakaraming benefit if you use science and technology.